Alright guys, what's going on? Recently just purchased H11 headlights from Auxbeam for my WRX, and I'm going to be putting them in. I find that the stock headlights are kind of and they don't really work the way I want them to at night, so we'll change them up real quick to some LEDs. It's kind of hard to open the hood with one hand. Anyway, I have this side's kind of the easy side. They say you kind of just have to shift the battery, and you can see that green tab right there is the old headlight fixture, and I'm going to want to move the battery to the left. The second part is here on the intake. That green portion right there is the other headlight. So give me a sec and I'm going to open these up. Alright guys, so I managed to move the battery just enough to where I could fit my hand in. When you're taking it out, it's in this orientation. You just want to twist it counterclockwise and it comes out real easy. There's just one little quick assembly. This wire just attaches to that box and then runs into the car. So I'm going to hop in. And you don't really have to turn the car on, but for the sake of it, I'll turn the car on just so that we can keep it running. Okay, so here we are. Look at that. Very, very simple, insanely bright compared to, look at that, it's lighting up the whole engine bay. Insanely bright compared to the stock headlights. Alright guys, so that took a little longer than I expected, but yeah, so I got the intake cover and the intake filter out, and yeah, so it's a little easy. Let's actually turn on the flashlight for you here. It's a lot easier to get at the headlight right there. So as you can see, the headlight is right there, and that's the place where I'm going to put it. So we're going to take this stock one out and put the aftermarket Auxbeam one in.
Hey, I ain't got no paper. Can you spot me a drink?
Hey,
get out the damn way.
Alright guys, so it zip tied those down to a wire there because they dangle around and I don't want them flying off or doing anything crazy or unplugging. I like these simple, easy installs and stuff. They make you feel like you're doing a good job. Meanwhile, you know, they're not too hard. Hopefully this will be somewhat helpful to anybody looking to buy these. Anyway, take it easy guys. Hope this helped out.